Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping zones on Shopify. This is essential for managing your store's shipping costs across different regions, ensuring your customers see accurate rates based on their location. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can access all your store's features and settings. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Settings. This is your control center for managing everything from payments to domains, and of course, shipping configurations. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice another menu on the left side. From here, click on Shipping and Delivery. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how products get from your warehouse to your customers, including zones, rates, and delivery options. In the Shipping and Delivery page, locate the Shipping section and click on General Shipping Rates. This is where you'll define the different zones and rates based on geographic locations. You should see your current fulfillment location displayed here, which represents where your products ship from. Next, click on Add Shipping Zone. This allows you to create a new geographic area with its own set of shipping rules and rates. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to configure your new zone. Now it's time to name your zone. For this example, let's call it Shipping on Africa. This helps you easily identify which region this zone covers when managing multiple zones later. After naming it, you'll see options to select regions. Click on Africa to automatically select all states and provinces across the continent. This ensures every country within Africa falls under this shipping zone. Once you've made your selection, click Done to confirm. Now, under your newly created zone, click Add Rate. This step is where you define how much shipping will cost for orders going to this zone. You'll be presented with options for the rate type. You can choose between use flat rate or use carrier or app to calculate rates. The flat rate option lets you set a fixed price, while carrier calculated rates pull real-time pricing from shipping providers. For this example, let's go with use flat rate since it's straightforward and gives you full control over pricing. Next, you'll see options for the shipping rate itself. You can choose from Express International 4 to 7 days, Standard International 6 to 10 days, Economy International 20 to 60 days, or Custom if you want to create your own delivery time frame. Select the option that best fits your shipping capabilities, then input a price for this shipping rate. This is the amount customers in this zone will pay for shipping during checkout. Once you've entered the price, click Done to save this rate. Finally, head to the top of the page and click the Save button. This ensures all your shipping zone configurations are stored and will now be active for customers placing orders from Africa. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a shipping zone on Shopify, giving you control over how you charge for deliveries to different parts of the world. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.